Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
So, in the last two sessions, we concentrated mainly on breathing techniques. So, for the benefit of everyone who's following this method of breathing technique exercises, I would like one of you to recap all the exercises that we did. Sai Shruti, will you please do that?
So we use the 4 bar 10 to 4 bar 20 in the intervals of 2 beats. So 4 bar 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. And we used 4 applications in this for this metronome. So the first one was just breathing. So we inhale for 4 counts and exhale for 10 counts till 20. That was the first application. The second application was sustaining on the Adhara Shajja in Shruti C. For the same 4 bar 10 to 4 bar 20 in intervals of 2. The third application was in G Shruti, Adhara Shajja to Pa, back to Adhara Shajja. So half octave we covered again from 4 bar 10 to 4 bar 20. Then the fourth application was full octave, Adhara Shajja to Tara Shajja, back to Adhara Shajja in all 4 bar 10 to 4 bar 20 in the same Shruti G.
Wonderful, wonderful. Any other point to be added to this?
Yes, ma'am. Just to add to what Shruti said, while doing these exercises, it's absolutely critical to focus on the abdominal, breathing. Meaning, as you inhale, push the abdominal muscles out, and as you exhale, you have to push the abdominal muscles inside. This is absolutely critical to follow during these exercises. Otherwise, these are all just they won't be as effective as if we follow the abdominal exercises.
Fantastic. So, you have understood well. Now, here when we say 4 bar 10, 4 bar 12, what do we mean by 4? What does it denote? 4. Inhalation. The number of counts for inhalation. And the number what comes after 4 always denotes the exhalation duration. Fantastic. So now we are going to see a very little more complex application of the same. Now, the usual question is, do we have to do all these every morning? So you can actually do that by taking 2 applications on a day. Normal, staying on one note, Adhara Shajja for 10, 14, all those counts. Then 4 bar 10 to 4 bar 20, either on Sa to Pa or on Sa to Sa, top Sa. So you can alternate this on each day because you can't do the entire thing on one day. I'm showing you different ways to improve your breath control with the control of Talam. That's a time measure. So now we are going to go to G sharp. Shruti G sharp. So in metronome, is it 89 or 90? 89. So metronome 89. Shruti is G sharp. We are going to sing the swaras of the scale Maya Malava Gaula, and we are going to follow the format of 4 inhalation and 8 exhalation on each note, which means 1 cycle of Adi Talam, like this. 1, 2. Sa. All right. Then you inhale for 4 counts. Then 4 counts inhalation. Ga. Swaras of. So as usual, I'm going to give you the count. You will climb up to Sa, repeat the Sa on top and climb down. All right. 1, 2, 3. Inhale. Sa. Re. Ga. Ma. Okay, so now normal inhalation, deep inhalation and slow exhalation, about 5 rounds. Please observe your breathing. Please sit straight without raising your shoulders. Engage your abdominal muscle. All right. Now we are going to inhale for 4 counts and exhale for 10 counts. In the earlier exercises, because there were single notes and then glides, we did 10 to 20. Now we have started with 8 counts of exhalation. It's going to be 4 bar 10. Swaras of Maya Malava Gaula. 1, 2, 3. Inhale. So here we climbed up the octave step by step, swara wise. With each higher note, the demand on your lungs is increasing. Now you know how this format is going to progress, right? 8, 10. Now it's going to be 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So I'm not going to give you instructions, please. You will start now, and after each application, for 8 counts of rest. So you finish 12, 8 counts of rest, and then you start 14. 1, 2, 3, start. Sa 14. Let's have rest for 10 counts from now. One, two, three. Inhale. 16 counts. Ten counts of rest, and then we are going to do only till dha, because as we go to higher notes and longer sustains, what is happening? You're finding it difficult. Yeah. I wanted you to understand that, experience it yourself, then you will know that the higher notes, the same Shruti G, but when the count of sustenance is increasing, it is difficult. So we are now going to do only till dha. 18 and 4 bar 18 and 4 bar 20, only till dha. 1, 2, 3, start. So you're able to observe your own breath control, which is again very relative. Not all of you are on the same page. I think we should not try 20 in this session because your voices will be tired. When I say 20, it is 4 bar 20, which is actually reachable, but not today. We have sung a lot. In the next session, we will have this as half an octave. Okay, half an octave. We will do up to 20 in G and in G sharp. So here the format is progression from 4 bar 10 to 4 bar 20, not only in G but also in G sharp. But we will not do a full octave. We will do till Panchama, so that the various combinations, permutations and combinations of duration and the expanse in the octave. This will show you how your own body is able to adjust to the demand. All right, I hope you will all practice this regularly, and then only we can go to the next level of practice. It would be difficult otherwise. We should prepare ourselves for the forthcoming sessions. Thank you and namaste.